Hello everyone, my name is Jake. I'm the owner of SMMpeak.com, your marketing solution. Today we're going to be talking about Facebook ads and how to get the ball rolling when you're first getting started. So the first thing to know when you're getting started is, what is an audience? An audience is a group of people that you are selling to. For instance, if I'm selling skateboards, my audience is going to be teenagers because teenagers are the most likely to buy skateboards. Something else to consider when you're getting started is start small. What the best strategy is when you're first starting out is to learn your audience, really key it down to a very specific niche. The best way of doing this is creating multiple small ads and running these ads for a short period of time, and then writing down everything that happens to them. Write down the engagement on them, write down who's seeing them, what demographics, etc. This way you can get a really specific version of your audience, and then you can start putting more money into ads that are going to display to these audiences that you've targeted down. This is a really good way to test things out. Make sure that your ad is secure and tight before you put a lot of money into it. The next thing that you need to know is make sure you know what Facebook is charging you for. For example, they charge cost per click, and then they also pay per view. So cost per click is where every time someone clicks on your link, they're going to charge you money. Now, this doesn't mean that you're going to get more sales immediately. It just means you're going to get more clicks, because Facebook is going to show the ads to people who are more likely to click on your ads. Now, pay-per-view is exactly as it sounds. As it comes up in someone's feed, even if they don't interact with it, they see your ad, then Facebook is charging you. Pay-per-view is generally going to be shown to more people than pay-per-click, but sometimes it depends. Now, if you're listening to all of this and it's still not making any sense, don't worry, we have you covered. At SMMpeak.com, we offer marketing solutions specifically for Facebook ads. We have worked with hundreds of businesses and spent thousands of dollars over the course of many years to make sure that we know Facebook and we know the ad system behind it. If you'd like to schedule a free consultation today, check out the link in the description below. It's got our website, it's got all our contact information. I look forward to hearing from you soon. Thank you for watching.